Navigating around a spreadsheet can be easy if you've got a mouse, but sometimes when you have a laptop with one of those pads or even the little mouse in the middle of the keys, those are called a nipple mouse, then when you've got that, it can be a little more difficult. So here's a couple of cheat ways to navigate sheets in Excel. Okay, so I've got a spreadsheet here with lots of sheets, and a keyboard shortcut that's quite handy is Control Page Down. And if I click again, there we go, Control Page Down. That's it. It's moving across the sheets. Control Page Up moves to the previous sheet. Now, obviously, if you're at the first sheet, it's not going to go anywhere else. Yeah? So you can do that. But if you do have a mouse and you've got a lot of sheets like I do, I have a lot here, I'd have to use the arrow keys to go back and forth. If you can see it's telling me right here, if I right mouse click over those little navigation arrows, I see a list of the sheets, and I can just say select one. Project, there we go, okay, and I've moved right there. And I find that especially if I'm in meetings or I'm screen sharing and trying to go through some things with somebody, and I've got 20 or 50 sheets, it's really easy to right mouse click, select the sheet I want, and okay. Now that is if I've renamed them something that reminds me what or tells me what it is. And just a reminder, if you don't know this, you just double click to change the sheet name, or you can right mouse click and rename. Okay, so there's a couple of shortcuts just to help you navigate a workbook. If you found this video useful, helpful, or interesting, please do click on that thumbs up button. And if you'd like to see more videos, then please do click on subscribe. I have more Excel videos in the playlist that should be showing up here. Take care and bye for now.